Hello my people, how na dey also na dey fine. Please my people, this video one and one watch so may we sit down, may we watch am together, okay? If you don't dey watch am, help me share this video. Love this video. You see sometimes when people they talk say if you reach Benin, all Benin people then be Igbo, then be Ashi, then be this one. This news, this one and one watch so. Now for Benin State, now for Edo State it will happen. All this Ashawo way be send the cash. No one be come from Edo State. Una go hear the way they say they like. Come from another state, come they come Edo State, come they do the Ashi way that they do. No we hear. No one, all of them way be say they catch. No one come from Edo State, no one be Benin. Because it don't say whether they talk all this thing. They'll say if you don't reach Benin, na Ashawo na end the day. You know, say some people they talk and say all those people where they for the way they do Ashi, they're not free from Edo State. They come from different place. Igbo. Make we just listen, my people. Make we listen.
The Edo State Migration Agency (EDMA) on Wednesday paraded 34 non-indigenous commercial sex workers in Edo State. BTV News Osaroge Agobo reports that 4 teenagers, including a 14-year-old girl, trafficked on Saturday from Abia State to Edo State for prostitution, was among those apprehended by the agency. The report.
The first man that met me in this Benin is the one that is virgin me.
Parading the 34 commercial sex workers and one 66-year-old witch doctor before journalists in Benin-City, the Director General of the Edo State Migration Agency, Honorable Chief Lucky Agazuma, said the commercial sex workers aged 14 to 35 years and non-indigenous of Edo State who aid from other various states across the country such as Benue, Anambra, Imo, Akwa Ibom, Enugu, Ebonyi, and Abia State who are in Benin-City for the purpose of engaging in prostitution.
And where are you from? What's your name? Cheesy. Where are you from? Anambra. How long have you been here?
You can't be using tag mic here. Don't use your mic.
How long have you been here? 2 months. So why did
This cable will not go well. Go hold me and leg.
Who brought you here?
Among the victims are 4 teenagers trafficked into Edo State by their relatives for prostitution. They include Sharon Amarachi, 16 from Imo State, Precious David, 15 from Akwa Ibom State, Nkechi Faith, 14, trafficked from Abia State last Saturday, and Mary Samuel, 15 from Akwa Ibom State, who was taken to a witch doctor named Barry Emadi in a Kadolo by a trafficker, 35-year-old Gloria Ekwezi, to take an oath.
So as I reach, and also this woman now told me that I'm not coming to sell shop again. That I want to come and do prostitution. And also
Do what?
prostitution. So I also know that I cannot do this kind of thing. Let her give me money so that let me go back to my village. I start crying for the first and now tell me no. That okay, let me find my transport and go. I told her that I've not done this kind of thing before. So he now tell me that is not his business. Let me find money so that I will go. So that first day, I got 30,000. Gloria Ekwezi.
Ekwezi. From which state?
Anambra State.
How old are you?
35.
Which connection you get with this people you're from?
Oh my girl, she be.
Your girl for waiting. Because the narrator.
I tell her she come Benin, come follow me walk. Then she come Benin. The person now introduced her to me. And I paid the person money before he give me the girl. I paid 115,000.
Okay,
I paid transport 25,000.
from which state?
From Calabar, then she from Cope.
You can't carry the girl. Come. I want to say, Madam, in our daughter, why you doing that? 2 of them call the quarrel.
Talk loud,
2 of them call the quarrel. Now I tell her, say, if you say me do this girl bad, I can't say me swear for my front age there. If this girl say me do her bad, say me swear. So I tell swear. No, that's
which kind swear you swear? And what you tell do the swear? What you kill? What now?
I don't care anything.
Yeah, you tell do the swear.
They can't put like that. I say if they say make this one buy, can't do that. You can't get all this one, can't do that. I don't play anything.
Because I ask, I say you give an what they call hot drink.
Oh my God.
In an interview with journalists, the Director General, Edo State Migration.
My people, things they happen for inside life. Even this man where be say na obo na the man be. But you hear when they say make them ban all these things. Oh, God, Mr. Man, you don't also put yourself for problem. They go say, Edo State, all of them they do ashi. She una dey hear now. Una hear anybody will come from Edo State for them. Or say na Benin. You know they all na from Akwa Ibom, Gbogbo, Imo State. Now then next day for the come. Make we listen.
Agency, Honorable Chief Lucky Agazuma commented on how the non-indigenous commercial sex workers and the teenagers traffic were apprehended. He expressed delight that the Edo women have been vindicated, as they are often victimized and allegedly known as people who are into prostitution. He appreciated the efforts of Governor Monday Okpebolo in combating human trafficking in Edo State and thanked the Edo State Task Force led by SP Aneto for their support in apprehending the traffic victims and their traffickers.
Thank God enough, not one person from this state. I am on my own seeing it as the way of victimizing Edo women. When you go around the world, they will tell you in Edo, a lot of persons are prostitutes, which is not true. They've been victimized wrongly. Our women are known for good, not for this. Among all these persons who've arrested so far, nobody's from Edo. They are from other states. On her own, she'll be crying. She want to go back home. She want to meet her parents. And she's 14 years old, right? 14 years old. We all understand that as parents, nobody wants their child to be trafficked out. And you don't wish to equally traffic someone else out. With the support of the state governor, by the grace of God, with the help of the governor, as they have always been supporting us, we also notify you.
Some of the traffic victims and traffickers who spoke with BTV News commented on their various levels of involvement in the prostitution syndicate.
How old are you?
14.
What state are you from?
Other states. They carry me my come stay with my uncle for a year. Now the driver where they give me, where they carry me give for Aba, they carry me come here. So now the driver why I don't go. So the driver, now he call these people
Sharon,
Sharon.
waiting.
Okwezulu Sharon. I'm Achi.
Which state you come from?
Imo State.
Okay, waiting carry you come Edo State.
Oh, and then she tell me say na sexual work because my grandmother don't they disturb me, so I don't see anything bad from it. I just follow her. Cut her and say if I stay to I will go house. Not for Okada. So they 15. At times 2K, at times 5K.
At times how much?
5, 2 months.
Okay. When you finally they give the money after they don't sleep with you.
No, let my savings that they give one of my neighbor. They she help me hope.
You know they pay anybody money like madam.
This girl so na person can give me.
Okay, which connection you get with the person you carry and give?
All of us dey one place. They work. So she come meet me. She get girl. She come meet me say whether me she carry girl come. Now tell her say that's not get my spirit too. I not just like am for my own life. I said why just they live they go small. Man just they live like that.
How much are the balance you give? They don't work.
You know, get she because we dey so not be your money today.
Okay, like how much they give you?
At times if money day, at times 15, at times 20.
Honorable Chief Lucky Agazuma reaffirmed the agency's commitment in eradicating human trafficking and maintaining a zero-tolerance policy for prostitution in Edo State. Osarogi Agwebo reporting for BTV News.
Hey, my people, sure na don hear. Now wow, God go bless this Mondo Okpebolo. God go bless them well because they don't use those state on to where they for they do ashi, when they for they do Ashawo, when they for they do road work. Can you imagine? The other one say he know what he want can do. The other one don't know. You understand? Me I don't understand though. All these things where be say they call they do. Thank God though. Say this governor will come so it will wipe everywhere, go sweep everywhere because they say if you reach Benin, now that be their quarter. They will just they pack they come from different states. They come to there. People they think say now the Edo people now they do one, whereas no, now foreigner people wait just there for outside now they come they do all these things. Now wow, as I see this video, I need to bring and come make una see. I know say most of una don't see. Why some never see? Children they see now. Thank God though. Hey, you see, they say their people, they know they do this kind of thing. Children here for their mouth just now. Not be me talking for their mouth. They talk weird before they come. Una bye bye. Oh, God bless you for watching and helping me to share this video. Now good night.